Right. What are you doing with this thing again?
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today, I was fixing the vacuum leak that I made last night. So last night I changed my entire CCV system, every single line, every hose, with the upgraded like insulated cold weather climate kit.
That is basically what blew out his Valco gasket. And Bri developed a slight misfire, and he had a panic attack.
It wasn't a panic attack.
You were nervous.
No, I was bummed that I wasn't done the first time. Because I finished at like 1:30 in the morning last night, and I drove this thing home with a nasty misfire.
But he fixed it. It was just a crazy vacuum leak, and everything on that motor is just wedged under the intake. It isn't fun. It's not raining today for the first time in ever, and it seems like it has everyone pretty motivated, and it's pretty exciting. So this is the first time anyone's working on their car next door in a long time.
Yo, that's what I'm saying.
That's for the battery relocation.
You're
Right?
working on the Boofmobile?
Dude.
The boofness of the Boofmobile?
You see where his body harness is running through, dude? It runs like into the track.
Dude, it looks great. You know, I'm happy where he's cleaning it up this season.
Trying to come out and slide.
Coming out weak.
No, coming out strong.
Don, you starting your car? Come on, come on, boy. When's the last time you? Oh, you got yourself a Super Wing now.
That's not mine.
Dude, it fits. Why does that? Dude, it fits the trunk perfect.
Fucking break that in half.
Izzo, hold the wing for me.
Don't tell people that. Yo. That's not mine. It's annoying that it's primer too.
Yo, that doesn't look that bad.
Dude, that looks horrible. Dude.
I don't know. No, come on, look at that. That looks sick, dude.
Supra ring?
Look how it fits perfectly.
It looks like you should put
Come
it
on, Don. That looks sick.
Don. What about how about back here?
Yes.
Bro.
Damn, Jim, I didn't know you had a Super one.
Don't even put that on my car. Get it the fuck off.
Dude, come on. You can't tell me that doesn't look dope.
Like trash. Yeah, you're right.
I bet you the hatch will still open all the way.
This is the first time Chip's working on his car all season.
I can't say anything. I think I haven't worked on my car since the new year, so.
Chip's finally adding a coolant temp sensor.
Well, thanks to Mishimoto for taking 4 months to ship it.
What'd you just find?
Yo, there's a cigarette butt.
took his intake off.
I guarantee that was Dudley.
No, the intake covers that.
Yeah.
We've never had this intake off.
Oh, hold on. Whoever you got this car from was a dick.
So I ended up bringing my sticker machine down here and doing a little trade today. And my buddy actually owns a GTR performance shop, and GTR World Cup is coming up, so he needs stickers yesterday. So we're doing a little trade and getting Donald some GTR injectors.
So, what up? What are we doing?
Getting you some injectors today.
Hell yes.
We're doing
Bitching.
a little trade.
Oh, stickers for injectors?
Yeah, it's a good trade.
I'm cool with that.
Yeah.
And I know how to make the sticker.
Why you got that? That makes me nervous.
It's trimming.
No, I just gotta trim some bolts so I can
Oh,
put my
come on.
strut brace back on.
You need a trim, actually. Come on.
The torque almost got me.
So, Jimmy said if I brought my calipers here, let me sandblast them. So, they're a little crusty. About gonna get them mint though. I think Jim. Oh, you're not sandblasting anymore.
Oh, I just did this. It looks too good now. So we're gonna see how it works with the paint and do that because DJ wants to get these looking icy again. What color did you pick? Purple?
Either purple or white.
Okay, I thought so.
Oh yeah. Is it taking the paint off or just making it white? It's taking the paint off. Are you sure it's taking the paint off? Are you cold, you little bitch?
I just spent like an hour sandblasting. Good. So
I'm sorry.
he just wants to boil my ankles.
I didn't mean it.
All right. So what's about to happen right now?
DJ, you want to tell him? We're going to do a coin flip for the 50. Either.
So DJ's trying to buy Drew's 50.
Yes.
And if they get, what are you calling?
I'm saying heads.
Heads, he's gonna pay 400. If he gets,
Tails, you pay 600.
you gonna shake on it?
Yeah. So tails 600, heads 400.
400. Okay.
You gonna shake or what?
You should shake on it. Shake on it. Yeah. Tails,
Hold on,
heads, and it's going to the ground. Flip it to the ground.
To the ground?
Don't like flip it and then put it on your wrist and then do that.
All right.
Oh my god. All right, so what is it? Heads is 400. You want heads. I want tails. I want tails. Correct.
Here it goes.
Ready?
Let's go! Fuck! Oh, there you go.
Hell yeah, Tucker. That's your food money.
We're all over the place today, but the ramp's out. It's that kind of night. Ooh! Come on, Travis, show him up. Come on, Travis. What do you think? How's Jip's skills?
Kind of sus, to be honest.
Gross.
Coming for your neck.
Enough talk.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna roll this in front of him. Ready?
Go.
Pull it back.
There's nothing to see here. Chip always does this.
Put on for me, Day. He gonna break it. He gonna break it.
Come on, DJ, let's see some shit.
Watch out, Tuck.
Here. Look at him. He's just like, oh, mine your way. Oh my god. Tucker just almost got turned around. Loaf of bread. He almost had no legs.
Tucker almost got splintered.
Tucker almost got neutered for the second time.
DJ, I think it's time to retire. I'm done.
DJ, you're right there. DJ, one more try.
You got it.
DJ, one more try. You're right there.
You good?
Ah, that hurt. No, my toe, my back.
You got me weak from that
knee,
shit,
dude.
You got me scared from that shit, yo.
That shit hurt.
Try it again.
You gotta try it again.
Yeah, right.
Ouch, my balls hurt so bad.
Ready? GTR. I've come for a trade, Derek.
Oh shit.
Thanks, guy.
No problem.
Dude, this thing is insane. You gonna win this year or what?
Yeah, we're trying to. We'll see.
So GTR World Cup is coming up, so they're going crazy. But Donald got himself in GTR injectors.
Finally.
Come on, just take them. You gotta put them in. I'll put them in.
I'll put him in.
What did I just show up to?
Doggy.
Look at my ankles. Look how tiny they look.
Drew, what do you got her doing over here?
Are those the 11s?
12. We're gonna just do backflip.
I don't know what's happening here.
Or do you rather do? Yeah, let's do backflip. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
My elbow, your head is
No, nothing. It's like, yo, what's up, DJ? How you doing, man? It's good to see you. Oh God!
Ready?
No.
What?
Wait,
Oh,
am I gonna go that way?
Oh, no.
Come on, try it.
Oh god, no. Oh no.
DJ, don't forget to jump.
What are you doing?
I'm so sorry. I thought that would work out so much better.
Oh no. Come on.
Okay.
What do you think was gonna happen? Oh! You didn't tell him he had to flip. You gave him no way to catch himself.
So you guys ready to try it again?
I don't know. I don't have good leverage on
My
that
neck cracked really nicely.
one. You can't hesitate on that one. You just gotta.
I didn't know what to do. I was going with it.
Too great.
RJ, you wanna go?
No.
You sure?
RJ next. All right, guys. What's up? So we've messed around all day, but some parts came in, so we can get some stuff done. Donald, what came in?
We got chase bays, fuel lines,
kit. So there you go. So we're gonna put that in. So fuck you. That's how I start.
You said it like 40 times.
Hate all of these guys. So
It's a good group.
D-Works. I have the D-Works injectors, D-Works fuel pressure regulator, and now what I say now?
No, you sounded like nothing.
Idiots. But now I just need to plumb it all together. And I neglected the fact that they actually do sell AN lines. I know better next time, and I wish I would with them. But so Chase Bays actually makes a whole line kit for the 1JZ and the S13, so everything's cut the length, all AN fittings, and easy peasy. And we're gonna throw it all in right now.
We're doing it right now.
What do you think?
I'm excited for putting all the lines in.
Lots of wires.
Here it is. So I kind of regret getting this kit. I bought this because I was in a rush and I was nervous to not have things in on time. And you could easily piece this together yourself for probably how much do you think you can piece together? Probably $100.
Not even.
Yeah.
Not
so if you have more patience, just piece this stuff together. It'll save you a lot of money. But
you didn't want to have the wrong fittings.
But yeah, so I didn't feel like chasing fittings down, and I wanted to make sure I can get this all done because I hate having to order something and have to wait a week for it, and it feels like forever for you guys. So here we go. We have our two lines. Which one? So we have our two lines that go from our feed and return, go to the regulator, and then the regulator does one feed right to the rail. So let's get it installed. If you look in here, we have our feed and return, the factory lines right here, the factory hard lines, and they're really freaking long. And obviously we're gonna have to either bend them or shorten them or just do both. So looking on the Chase Bays website, it seems like they actually cut them back pretty damn far, like deep in here. And it looks like they're going over the bell housing, like inside the training tunnel. We don't have the luxury of doing so because the training's so big and it's actually like almost touching the training tunnel. So I'm thinking of running them just behind the head because we have a lot of room for it.
Don't pull too much.
And just running it like this. The two lines right here and just going over the firewall. So yeah, let's start cutting these.
What's that laugh?
This turkey went after him. Spark and fuel equals fire. Got the ready?
Let me know when you're ready, Jeremy.
Remember, small squirts. Doesn't take much.
Big blast.
So I guess let's just hee-ho. The problem is I need a little jigsaw because it doesn't spark. I don't feel comfortable doing this.
What do you mean? There you go, like a boy.
This is not the right way to do it.
Yeah, don't do this at home unless you're a trained professional. Oh, that blade just got soaked with. I saw like a little flame.
All right, we're good. We're clear. Guys, I'm sorry. I don't mean to let you down or anything, but that's just the tools we got.
So is there no fire?
No fire.
No more cutting?
No more cutting.
Oh,
Fire, no problem.
So we got the lines all cut, and we have them cut a little bit higher than the Chase Bays does in their photo. We're gonna try and just, of course, keep it above the firewall instead of in underneath because I think this is safer away. This is actually away from more heat over here than down farther. So these are just like slip-on style, so you could just basically slip the feet on. Then we got the return over here. Donald. We have the feed to the rail right here. It actually fits pretty nice between the power steering pump and the rail. We still have to cap the rear, and I'm waiting on the AN fitting, but that's cool. But it's all on the fuel pressure regulator. So DJ and I thought right here is probably the best looking location, just kind of right in the center, not in the way of anything. So now I gotta drill 2 holes in my strut tower and mount her up. Beautiful.
like that?
Exactly.
How do I look, Jimmy? Fashion Nova shit?
Hell yeah. Light work,
Trendy.
Looks good.
Trendy shit. I need a mirror. Fashion Nova, hit me up.
We want to collab.
What's your code? Promo code.
Oh, Jimmy, what's my promo code? I forgot it.
Fake bitches only.
That sounds about right. Ooh. You going on the catwalk tonight?
See the drip.
Pull it out. Okay.
24 karat. My
You can't see my shit.
BVS, you'll see it. Big boy bands.
The chain's out. The chain on the red.
BVS
Looks
on
good.
It's good. I'm around.
What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy Oaks here.
What's up, guys? Me, Jimmy Oaks here. The fuel lines are on. We got all. So the fuel pressure regulator is fully mounted. I nylon nut it so it won't back out. Stoked about that. Lines are all tight. I have them running up here so they're not hitting the steering shaft and around the back of the head, and they're kind of just zip tied into place right here. So I want to get a little P clamp for the firewall so they don't go anywhere. And I'm really happy with them right there because I can't imagine them being in a better location that's farther away from the downpipe than that is right there. So I'm really happy with it. This actually, like, the kit actually fits pretty damn well in terms of lengths and everything. And fuel system is basically fully done, which is sick. I need an end cap for the fuel rail and we're done. That's huge. So that's basically our first finished system. So Donald, we gotta end the video.
You want to try your flip again?
You down?
No, end the video. You gotta end it. All right. So, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh my God, Steph, you are.
She was laying with Tucker.
Look at her.
Can you guess what I've been doing?
That's a lot of hair.
It's been a good day. Good
right.
night.
So thank you all for watching and have a great night. Jimmy, you want to say
That was good. That was good.
I'm cold hearted and broke. I cold started and choke. I grow part with my soul. The vote harder to grow. I know what. Hey, I know what. Hey, yeah. I'm cold hearted and broke. I cold started and choke. I grow part with my soul.